I noticed your not that your post here on I guess it's Facebook, and the error message here says that 355 objects are too far away from the origin in the upstairs plan. Okay, what's it talking about? What does that mean? The origin point, and I fixed this up in my template plan. So every time I start a new plan, I know where that point is. I'm going to delete that by just pressing the delete key. And how I created that was you go to the points tool, open it up, and it's set to 0x and 0y. And it puts a point at 0x and 0y. Now, what that error message is talking about, to the degree you draw your plan away from that origin point, it creates a problem for the way Chief Architect is used. I'm really zoomed out really far. So this is over here, and the origin point and the software is over here. And it'll cause 3D problems and other programming problems if you start your plan way over here. So now, well, in your case, you have an existing plan. I would go over here to go edit area, all floors, edit area, all floors, and then select that, and then use point-to-point move, and move your plan from wherever it is over here to the origin point. And then that error message will go away. But the way they created the software, it works best if you start your plan close to or on 0x and 0y. Now, why that is, I don't know. I just know that it is important. And to the degree you flaunt that, you're just creating trouble for yourself, okay? I mean, okay, let me show you again. Go to the points tool, and then this tool here, input point, and you just click OK. With it, it's set by default to 0, 0. I've never needed to place a point elsewhere, but I need to know where 0, 0 is, so I can put the corner, usually the lower left corner of my house or structure on that point. Or if I have a cluster of structures, I want them clustered around this point to the degree possible. Okay, I don't know about the rest of your problem, but this is one that I know something about and I wanted to share with you, okay? Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you, but whether it does or not, make it a great day.